Let's Google search the photo. Let's try to copy and paste the photo to test if the result found is a true transparent PNG. Ouch. Pain, this is not transparent. It has a checkerboard background. To ensure that the image search result is a transparent PNG, go to Tools, and in the color, choose Transparent. Wow! This is a true transparent PNG. No doubt. Yay hey! Let's try other image results. Let's recap. To ensure that it is a true transparent PNG, go to Tools, Color and select Transparent.